Welcome to Smart Explore Kids, where learning meets adventure.
Get ready, kids! Today we're meeting the heroes on wheels, wings, and water. The emergency vehicles that rush in to save the day.
This is an ambulance.
Ambulances rush patients quickly to the hospital when they need help.
Say hello to the police car.
Police cars zoom through the streets to keep everyone safe.
Here comes the rescue helicopter.
Rescue helicopters fly high to reach people in tough places.
Meet the wildfire truck.
Wildfire trucks fight fires deep in the forests and mountains.
This is an EMS vehicle.
EMS vehicles carry paramedics and equipment to emergencies fast.
Look, it's a snowblower truck.
Snowblower trucks clear snowy roads so help can reach safely.
Here comes the police helicopter.
Police helicopters watch from the sky to guide officers below.
This is an air ambulance.
Air ambulances fly patients to hospitals quickly in emergencies.
Say hi to the SWAT rescue vehicle.
SWAT rescue vehicles carry special police teams for big missions.
Here comes the police van.
Police vans transport officers and sometimes even suspects.
This is a rescue vehicle.
Rescue vehicles bring equipment and helpers to save lives.
Meet the van ambulance.
Van ambulances are smaller ambulances for quick medical help.
Here comes the rescue boat.
Rescue boats save people stuck in rivers, lakes, or the sea.
This is a police motorcycle.
Police motorcycles weave through traffic to respond fast.
Look at the firefighting aircraft.
Firefighting aircraft drop water from the sky to stop wildfires.
Here comes the fire engine truck.
Fire engine trucks spray water to fight fires in towns and cities.
This is a ladder truck.
Ladder trucks reach tall buildings to rescue people and fight flames.
Say hi to the tow truck.
Tow trucks pull away broken or crashed vehicles from roads.
Here comes the Coast Guard cutter.
Coast Guard cutters patrol oceans and save people at sea.
This is a police bicycle.
Police bicycles help officers patrol parks and streets quietly.
Look, it's a rescue hovercraft.
Rescue hovercrafts glide over land and water to reach people.
Here comes the firefighting robot.
Firefighting robots roll into dangerous places to fight fires safely.
Let's learn about construction vehicles. Here comes an excavator. Yay!
Excavators dig big holes and move heavy dirt with their long arm. They help start building by clearing the ground.
This is a bulldozer.
Yay!
Bulldozers push soil, sand, and rocks with a big metal blade. They're strong and great at clearing paths.
Say hello to the backhoe loader.
Yay!
Backhoe loaders dig with the back and scoop with the front. 2 tools in one. They're super helpful.
Look at the wheel loader.
Yay!
Wheel loaders pick up and move things like dirt or gravel. They're fast and have a big bucket in front.
This is a skid steer loader.
Yay!
Skid steer loaders are small and can turn in tiny spaces, perfect for jobs where big machines can't go.
Meet the motor grader.
Yay!
Motor graders make roads smooth and level. They have a long blade in the middle.
That's a big dump truck.
Yay!
Dump trucks carry and tip out sand, rocks, or soil. They go up and back to empty their load.
Here comes an articulated hauler.
Yay!
Articulated haulers bend in the middle to drive on bumpy land. They carry heavy loads far away.
Look, it's a road roller.
Yay!
Road rollers press the road flat with their heavy wheels. They make sure roads are strong and smooth.
Here comes a trencher.
Yay!
Trenchers dig narrow ditches for pipes and wires. They're long and sharp like a cutting tool.
That's a tall tower crane.
Yay!
Tower cranes are tall and help lift things up high. They build skyscrapers from way up top.
This is a mobile crane.
Yay!
Mobile cranes move around easily and lift big loads. They're like strong arms on wheels.
Look at the crawler crane.
Yay!
Crawler cranes move on tracks, not wheels. They're strong and steady for heavy lifting.
Here comes a concrete mixer truck.
Yay!
Concrete mixer trucks mix concrete as they roll down the street. They spin all day to keep the mix soft.
This is a concrete pump truck.
Yay!
Concrete pump trucks pump concrete to faraway places. Their long arms can reach high and wide.
Say hello to the forklift.
Yay!
Forklifts lift and carry boxes in factories and stores. They have 2 metal arms like big forks.
That's a telehandler.
Yay!
Telehandlers lift loads up high with a long moving arm. They work well on farms and construction sites.
Look at the scraper.
Yay!
Scrapers scrape the ground and carry dirt away. They help flatten large lands fast.
Here comes a compactor.
Yay!
Compactors press the ground down so it's firm and solid. They're noisy and heavy but very helpful.
This is a track loader.
Yay!
Track loaders move on tracks and carry heavy things. They can dig, push, and lift.
say hi to the dragline excavator.
Dragline excavators have a huge bucket on a long rope. They dig deep holes, even underwater.
Look, it's a boom lift.
Boom lifts help workers go up high safely. They stretch like a long arm in the sky.
Here comes a scissor lift.
Scissor lifts go straight up like a rising table. They help fix lights and paint walls.
This is a mini excavator. Meet.
Mini excavators are small and easy to drive. They're perfect for digging in tight spots.
The tunnel boring machine.
Tunnel boring machines drill deep tunnels through soil and rock. They're like underground giants carving paths below cities.
Today we're learning about amazing flying vehicles. This is an airplane.
Airplane is a flying vehicle that carries people across cities and countries. Wow, airplanes zoom through the clouds like giant birds.
This is a helicopter.
Helicopter can land almost anywhere and is used for rescue and travel. Spin, spin. Its blades make it rise straight up.
This is a rocket.
Rocket is a powerful machine that blasts into outer space. Boom! It shoots up with fire and smoke.
This is a drone.
Drone is a small flying machine that takes pictures and videos from the sky. Buzz, buzz. It's like a robot bee in the air.
This is a space shuttle.
Space shuttle carries astronauts to space and brings them back home. Wow, it's like a big space bus flying to the stars.
This is a hot air balloon.
Hot air balloon floats in the sky using hot air. Up, up, and away, like a giant rainbow bubble.
This is a glider.
Glider flies smoothly without an engine. Shh. It's like a bird gliding silently in the wind.
This is a hang glider.
Hang glider lets people hang below big wings and fly in the breeze. Whoosh! It feels like you're soaring like Superman.
This is a paraglider.
Paraglider is like a parachute that glides gently down hills. Wow, the colorful wings make the sky look like a rainbow.
This is a blimp.
Blimp is a giant airship filled with gas that floats in the sky. Look, it's like a big flying balloon with a cabin underneath.
This is a seaplane.
Seaplane can land on both water and land. Splash! It's like a flying boat.
This is a biplane.
Yay!
Biplane has two wings stacked, one above the other. Zoom, zoom. It looks like an old-timey sky racer.
This is a stealth bomber.
Yay!
Stealth bomber is built to fly quietly and stay hidden from radars. Shh. It's like a secret shadow in the sky.
This is a fighter jet.
Yay!
Fighter jet is super fast and used by the Air Force. Zoom! It breaks the sound barrier with a roar.
This is a military transport plane.
Yay!
Military transport plane carries soldiers and supplies across long distances. It's like a giant flying truck in the sky.
This is a crop duster.
Yay!
Crop duster sprays medicine or water over farms. Look, it paints the fields with misty clouds.
This is an amphibious plane.
Yay!
Amphibious plane can land on land and water. Splash and zoom. It's a 2-in-1 flyer.
This is a tilt rotor aircraft.
Yay!
Tilt rotor can take off like a helicopter and fly like an airplane. Wow, it's like two vehicles combined into one.
This is a supersonic jet.
Yay!
Supersonic jet flies faster than the speed of sound. Boom! It makes a thunderclap in the sky.
This is an ultralight aircraft.
Yay!
Ultralight aircraft is tiny and can carry 1 or 2 people. It's like a little flying scooter in the sky.
This is a solar-powered plane.
Yay!
Solar-powered plane uses sunlight instead of fuel.
This is a gyrocopter.
Yay!
Gyrocopter looks like a mix of a plane and helicopter.
This is a jetpack.
Yay!
Jetpack is worn like a backpack and lets people fly short distances.
This is a flying car.
Yay!
Flying car can drive on the road and take off into the sky.
This is a hovercraft with wings.
Yay!
Hovercraft with wings glides on air above water and land. It's like floating and flying at the same time.
This is an ornithopter.
Yay!
Ornithopter flies by flapping wings like a bird.
This is a space capsule.
Yay!
space capsule carries astronauts safely back from space.
This is a Mars drone.
Yay!
Mars drone is a robot flyer exploring the red planet. Beep, beep. It's like a tiny Martian helicopter.
This is a rescue helicopter.
Yay!
Rescue helicopter saves people during floods, fires, and mountains. Its loud blades shout, "Help is here!"
This is an air taxi.
Yay!
Air taxi is a small flying vehicle that carries people across cities. In the future, you may ride one instead of a cab.
Let's visit the farm today.
This is a tractor.
Yay!
Tractor. The farm's superhero. It pulls heavy loads, plows fields, and helps with almost every farm job.
Here comes the combine harvester.
Yay!
Combine harvester. A magic machine that cuts, threshes, and cleans crops. All in one go.
This is a plowing tractor.
Yay!
Ploughing tractor. Turns the soil upside down, making it ready for seeds to grow.
That's a round baler.
Yay!
Round baler. Rolls hay into big round bundles that look like giant golden wheels.
Here comes the sprayer truck.
Yay!
Sprayer truck. Gives plants a cool mist of water or special sprays to help them grow healthy.
This is a seed drill.
Yay!
Seed drill. Plants seeds neatly into rows, just like a farmer's magic pen.
Look, it's a farm pickup truck.
Yay!
Farm pickup truck. Carries tools, crops, and even farm animals around the farm.
That's a square baler.
Yay!
Square baler. Packs hay into neat square bundles, easy to stack and store.
Here comes the front end loader tractor.
Yay!
Front end loader tractor. Lifts dirt, hay, or anything heavy with its big bucket in front.
This is a trolley wagon.
Yay!
Trolley wagon. A trailer that follows a tractor carrying heavy loads across the farm.
Here comes the forage harvester.
Yay!
Forage harvester. Cuts and chops plants for animal feed in record time.
This is a cultivator machine.
Yay!
Cultivator machine. Breaks up soil lumps and makes it soft for planting.
Here comes a rice combine harvester.
Yay!
Rice combine harvester. Specially made to harvest rice without damaging the grains.
This is a corn harvester.
Yay!
Corn harvester. Picks corn cobs from plants quickly and cleanly.
Here comes a potato harvester.
Yay!
Potato harvester. Digs up potatoes, hiding under the soil without squashing them.
This is a vegetable planter.
Yay!
Vegetable planter. Plants vegetables evenly so every plant has room to grow.
That's a water tanker truck.
Yay!
Water tanker truck. Brings water to thirsty plants and animals.
Here comes the fertilizer spreader.
Yay!
Fertilizer spreader. Sprinkles plant food evenly across the field.
This is a disc harrow tractor.
Yay!
Disc harrow tractor. Slices through soil and weeds, leaving it smooth and ready.
Here comes a hay rake.
Yay!
Hay rake. Gathers hay into rows so it's easier to pick up.